on that. Let's take a look at this. This is great. Eh? From the 2 years ago. I love this picture. I had it. I kept it in my, my computer all the time. That's, wow, thank you very much for using it. It's you are here, there.
I worked on the last season. It's filmed in California.
Great job.
Put together a book that I can show my panel later.
Yeah.
Actors.
あ、マキ君、写真撮ってくれない？うん。Yeah, there's some delays. You know, Bruno, it's just you amaze me that the things you do behind those videos, and it's you too. Okay? Yeah, I see. Well, how can I get that one? How much is it? Where should I get blah blah blah? You sure? Okay. Huh? There. Which one? Oh, the extensions. Okay. All right. Here you go. All right. How many? 2? Just 1. Okay. Sorry? Lost driver. The DX belt works with it. Okay. No, you just realized it. Yeah, we've been working hard for that this time, They say that, Team Mia, Bruno. Maybe you can talk to them, and I have the microphone for you.
Hey, that's what I already did in the past.
Here's the Bruno here, everyone. Here it is. You can talk to them here.
Hey guys. Why aren't you here?
What are you guys doing?
What are you guys not doing here? Look at all the toys. Here's Mia. Hi, Mia.
Hi.
I can't see you. You're behind the microphone.
Hi. Yeah.
Mr. S brought toys. Oh, I can hear myself.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, how do you like that? It's got batteries, Tokuger stuff, Kamen Rider. What are you most excited about right now?
Oh, yes, very excited. Yes. I'm very excited that you are here.
Oh, mostly me. Sorry, I gotta there's like toys, so I'm kind of. All right, what are people saying?
Oh yeah, there are people saying here we go.
I'm like very ADD right now. Oh, you've got a little teeny.
Yeah. This is the one of the our items here, just down the road there. Super Sentai.
I bought a few of these. They're really nice.
They are very detailed one. Very good.
I got the one that have the little things.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
This is one of them.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Love that.
Go Caesar. Huh?
Comes with the little figures.
And also we are doing that, free giveaway too. Purchasing over the $20, you get the.
I can do that.
Yeah. These 2 figures, either you like.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got Kyoryuger stuff going on.
Aha.
I have not looked at the comment. Hey, I already did that. No, that's in the past.
Yeah, you were seeing the past, yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now when I do Ustream, the comments just go so fast. How come yours look like they're working? Like I can never, like I'm responding to someone from like 20 minutes ago, and then I'll be like, oh, it's at the bottom, and then I try to scroll down, and it just goes right back up.
You know, I just have to skip those questions. You know?
Oh.
It just
Oh,
comes
yours
in
is the same?
continuously. Yeah, yeah, same. Buy Gaim stuff, they say.
Oh, Buzz's room says, yo, Bruno. Yo, Buzz.
Oh, Jerry is in bed?
He better be.
Oh, maybe.
We'll see if Jerry shows up later. We're doing a panel.
Yeah, I'm kind of hoping that to see him too.
Oh, that Jerry. You should come visit us.
Yeah. Yes, I love to.
You should come visit us.
Yes.
How long are you here for?
Until the last day, and we will be packing up, and then the last day,
On
maybe
Sun-
like a 12.
Oh, so you're leaving on like Monday?
No, this is Sunday, right?
On Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
You're leaving on Sunday?
Yeah, because it's
That's too short.
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Ass.
Yeah. You know, I was
He knows.
scheduled this.
He knows.
We enjoy it.
I told Mr. S you should come over and see my Ranger keys.
Yeah, I've seen that on the video.
You got to see it. It's huge. I couldn't believe when they brought the shelf out from the back when I went to pick it up. I'm like, that's too big. But it's the right size.
It's like almost as tall as
Oh.
It's not just the American. I did Super Sentai from the very first team all the way through Go Busters, and I said, that's it. I'm stopping there. And then over here they had the Kyoryuger set at Anime Expo.
Uh-huh.
And I said no, and then I ended up buying the villains, and now I can't find the Ranger keys for
Yeah.
Kyoryuger.
Oh.
They have them over there for 500.
Oh, that's a 500 one. Oh.
I know.
That's-
They've given me an hour to think about it.
Yeah. But it will be a quick to make a decision. $500 for the legend.
We just need like a shot where like you pan out and you see how big the convention center is, and you're like, okay, where do I spend my money?
Yeah, where's that? Right
It's
there.
just like-
right there.
This may be the biggest thing of toys I've ever seen in one place.
Yeah.
This is bigger than every other year.
Power Multicom is growing so
It has,
much.
yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm like totally ignoring you guys. Jerry is dangerous when he was awake. Yes, he is. Is my panel a live stream? I don't know. I'll certainly try to film it. PMC Live, you're not watching my videos. You go subscribe right now, or Mia's going to get you. I put links to that, and Andre's hosting, so Black Nerd Comedy, he'll give you the links. It's tomorrow morning. But I think it's, yeah, I don't know. Just go to my last couple videos in the description. I can't remember the link off the top of my head.
Where's the demo soundtrack? Bruno, when is PMC Live?
All of you should be saving for the next Power Morphicon right now. Start right now. I don't want to hear any more of that I can't afford Power Morphicon. Nobody can afford Power Morphicon. You come anyway.
Yeah, visit us. Oh, I changed the camera.
Oh.
All right. I hope that there's no statistical sounds or anything. Okay. I will come and fix it. Okay.
Here's Decker. I don't know. Mia keeps hiding it on me. You what?
I threw it away.
You threw it away, Decker?
No, she threw away Demon Santa.
Oh, Demon
I
Santa.
found this revolting little Santa Claus doll in a dump,
Oh.
and I made it look demonic.
Oh.
And then Mia doesn't like it, and she keeps throwing it away.
It's freaky.
It's perfectly good.
It tried to kill me.
That can't be proven. Hello, United Kingdom. Demon Santa.
Yeah, Team Bruno from UK.
Team Bruno.
All right, sorry. Yeah, that price is right there. $9.
Is this going to be the series next year?
Yeah, that's right. Dino charge.
Oh, you got a thing.
Yeah, he's right down there.
Who is that?
Aaron. I don't know how to say his
Oh.
last name. But they're...
Yes, it is Coney.
Oh, you doing an interview or something?
Yeah, I've been interviewing you.
We're doing the live streams. Yeah.
Because one of the actors is actually looking for me.
Is that true? Which actor?
I'm not saying which one. Fine. because I know you'll say it anyway. Sean C.W. Johnson. The producer said that he's kind of the reason, I'm kind of the reason why he came to Paramorphicon this year because of my little bit of a dedication I did 2 years ago at the last Paramorphicon.
Oh, that's very cool.
And now that this whole thing is going to be live on that sort of a screen, and now I'm going to be...
PMC is not live. Well, not at the moment. Team Mia. What is this Team Mia stuff, guys? Come on. It's all about me.
I'm just going to pay for this quick.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, he can take care of that. All right, right there. Yeah, he can take care of you. Yeah. Cash. Okay.
All right, I'm like stealing the show here.
That's okay. Yeah, thank you. Anytime.
Are we
you're
gonna see you
welcome.
later?
Yeah, see you later. Yes.
Are you gonna be around this evening?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, we'll be.
You'll be in the panels, right?
Yeah.
This place will close at 8 o'clock, and so I hope that I can join that.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Come say
Now,
hi to everybody.
where's that the panels
I
will
don't
be
know.
held?
It's panel room A, but I don't know where that is yet.
Okay. All right. We will see.
If I find it,
Okay.
she wants to give me the money. Oh, okay.
To us. To us.
Okay.
はい。ちっちゃい袋転がってません？No. わからない。Okay, so guys, that was Bruno, and I really appreciate that he's being here, and thank you very much, Bruno. Okay, our shows go move on, and we'll continue selling that our toys, and thank you very much, guys, for being here. And I will check that in our streams that if there's any static sounds, if you can hear something wrong, let us know on the message. Okay. So thank you guys, and I'll come back. All right.